Hi, I'm Tom Salta, the co-creator and co-founder of AutoBounce. I'm excited to tell you about version 1.21, which not only brings Logic 10.78 compatibility, but also introduces two amazing new stemming modes, variable end and variable start modes. Let's check it out. So before with AutoBounce, there was one mode for running stems. But technically, it wastes time and disk space because you are bouncing out all this empty space after each of the regions. And this is where Vari-End mode comes in. Now, AutoBounce will intelligently detect where the last region is in the chosen bounce range. And it will only bounce out the areas where there are regions. But because these are stems, it will keep the same start point regardless. Even better, you can add extra padding in AutoBounce in case there are some tails that you want to keep after the last region. So if there's reverbs or echoes or things like that. So you can just add an extra bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, etc. Okay, so let's see it in action. In this example, I'm just going to bounce 2 tracks, Blippy Things and Falling Down. Blippy Things is here and it's going to bounce 1 extra bar padding, and then Falling Down is here and it's going to go right up to bar 7, which is an extra bar of padding. And here it goes. First, AutoBounce will measure the content in the chosen area. Then it's going to set the necessary parameters, so it's going to bounce from the beginning of the initial cycle range all the way to the end of the region and then add whatever padding you've chosen. There it goes. The first track is done. Now it jumps down to the second track. And you're going to notice it bouncing from bar 2 to bar 7. And that's it. AutoBounce just restored the session, and now the files are ready. And that's a quick overview of how Vari-End mode works in AutoBounce. Now let's check out Vari-Start mode. This mode is perfect for post-production and sound design. Let's check it out. In this mode, AutoBounce will automatically set the start and end point of each bounce to match the start and end point of a particular region object. So this could be, for example, a stereo mix or a bunch of footsteps. This could be a folder stack. This one, this one, this one. So Vari-Start mode is not something you would use for the traditional stem or multitrack, but it is something that you would use if you wanted to bounce out individual files of particular content scattered throughout Logic. Let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is decide where the range is that you want to have AutoBounce look at. In this example, only the things between bar 7 and bar 31, and that's going to be these objects. That's tracks 2, 3, 4, and 10. That's all I'm going to want to bounce right now. So I go here into AutoBounce, 2, 3, 4, and 10, and there we go. Now, all I have to do is decide if I want to put some padding. In this case, let's say I don't want any padding, okay, because there may be stereo files or something like that. I don't want to add any extra space. And that's it. You make sure that Vari-Start mode is checked here, and you just hit bounce and watch the fun. And that's a quick overview of the new AutoBounce version 1.21, now with Logic 10.78 compatibility and 2 new stemming modes, both Vari-Start and Vari-End mode. If you use Logic Pro and would like to try AutoBounce for free, just go to auto-bounce.com and download the free, fully functional 14-day demo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.